Hi friends, welcome back to my channel and welcome to a brand new video. So let's talk lips, lip combos, nudes, pinks, peaches, whatever lip combo you're into. Today I'm going to be sharing with you some new e.l.f. lip liners that literally just launched. These are going to be affordable, they're going to be cute, they're going to be perfect for every day. You can pick and choose, and I have just combined a bunch of them and shared with you my absolute favorites. So I hope you guys are excited. I hope you guys enjoy today's video. You already know, grab your cafecito and let me share with you some new e.l.f. lip combos that you need to add to cart today. Just a quick reminder, we're using only e.l.f. lip liners, lipsticks, lip glosses, lip oils, all of the above. Combo number one is a nude plus glossy everyday slay lipstick. Okay, this is your everyday go-to lip combo that you can use for any occasion. I'm starting off with the e.l.f. Cream Glide lip liner in the shade Mauve Aside, and I'm going to top that off with the e.l.f. Satin O lipstick in the shade Dirty Talk. I personally would top this off with a gloss. This is the Swollen lip gloss. I don't know if this is still available. If you can't get it, get this one, Pink Cosmo. They're a little similar, except this one is slightly more pink, but they're sheer enough where I feel like you can't tell too much. Oh my gosh, this literally gorgeous. It is so pretty. It is the perfect everyday nude glossy lip combo. You can just throw this in your purse, go on about your day, and slay. This is a lip liner I'm really excited about. If you can't tell, it's like a cool toned brown. This is in the shade Espresso Martini. Let's watch it together for the first time. I've never tried this. Oh yeah, oh my gosh, yes, this can totally be a dupe for MAC Stone, I think. To top it off, I'm going in with the Honey Talks Glow Reviver lip oil. Oh my gosh, these are seriously so iconic at this point. I posted a video of a lip combo similar to this and it went absolutely viral on my Instagram as well as on TikTok. I mean, the amount of views that I got was insane, and it's because this is such a pretty soft glam brown. You can see that totally toned down, that like very grayish brown that this lip liner has. It is so pretty. I think with the right lip combo we can totally make this work, and I think we can make this work. What do you guys think? Next up, we have another new lip liner shade. This is called Cinnamatic. Let's go ahead and swatch this and see what this is all about. Oh, okay. It's like a sienna, almost like an orangey peachy color. Also, a little tip, if you want your lip liner to glide on your lips, make sure you powder them a little bit. You can even do just like translucent powder, and your lip liner will literally just glide through your lips. I mean, these are very creamy, so they don't need much help, but not all lip liners work that way. Okay, that's actually really pretty. I'm gonna top this one off. I'm first going in with Hustle from the O Satin Lipstick collection, and I'm just gonna take that on the center. This is going to be a perfect peachy lip combo. As you can see, these colors work really well together, so this lighter color in the center is really going to make the lip liner pop, and it's very simple. But to add a little extra oomph, I'm going in with the Glow Reviver lip oil. These are the glimmer finish. Okay, this is in the shade Super Neutral. Yeah, Super Neutral, and I'm gonna top that off on the center. This is going to give you that like disco ball look to the lips, and it's going to look super hydrating. That is actually quite stunning. I am shook. I usually don't go for lip liners like this just because I'm so used to using a brown, but this complements my skin tone so well. I am so impressed with the new shades. I feel like they really stepped out of the comfort zone of like lip liners and brought us different shades. So there you have it, lip combo numero 3. What do you guys think? Next we have that Merlot Tho, and this is going to be more of a deep wine. Oh, gorgeous. That is so pretty. Okay, so I think I have the perfect lipstick to combine this with. Look at that. That is going to be such a pretty like coquette lipstick. This is the Glow Reviver lip oil in the shade It's Giving Guava. This is also a little bit newer, so I'm going to go ahead and take that in the center. Oh my gosh. I love this. Oh, these lip oils are so stunning. Oh, the way they feel on the lips, look at that. Definitely giving coquette cute. The last one in the new category is the e.l.f. Cream Glide Lip Liner in the shade Fuchsia Forward. I almost didn't get this because I'm like, yeah, that's totally not me. But I thought of you guys. I was like, okay, Karina, do not be selfish. There's people out there that wear these color of lipsticks, which I love that for you. I live vicariously through people that wear bold lipsticks like this. I used to be that person. I can't. I will try. I'm going to push myself this summer. So if you don't see me in fuchsia lips, call me out. Oh my gosh, you gotta be kidding me. e.l.f. Do you see the glide? This honestly deserves nothing else but what it is. It is so pretty. I have an idea, and I know a lot of people don't own the lipstick. This is the Michaela lipstick, but I just want to try it out to see how it looks. Just like right in the center, almost like an ombre lipstick. I'm gonna see how it looks with pink Cosmo on the top, because this is a very, very light pink. Oh my gosh. These lip glosses are honestly so good. Like, I don't know what it is about e.l.f. glosses. They just hit different. This lip combo is definitely giving me Barbie vibes, and I'm kind of here for it. Obviously, you don't have to do the light center. You can just stick with the lip liner on its own because it's that good on its own. But this is really pretty. Oh my gosh. And if you don't have this lipstick, then you can just add a little bit of concealer in the center, dab it out, and there you have a Barbie lipstick. I don't know. What do you guys think? I'm 50-50. Last two lip combos I'm going to share with you are probably lip combos that you've seen before. I'm going to start off with Sweet Tea or Talk to I always forget. And the darkest lip liner. This is Dark Cocoa, I believe, and this is Spill the Tea, something like that. You guys know I'm horrible with names. I love to use these two together because they just make the perfect nude lip combo. And then I'm going to add a little bit of Drive on the lip. And you can't tell me that is the perfect nude lip combo. Now, if you want to be extra, you can top it off with a gloss. You can even go with something like this that is a little more bedazzled, but I like to keep it a little low-key, so I'm going to go in with Peach Bellini, which is an OG favorite. Oh my gosh, this is such a pretty peachy gloss. I honestly am due for a new one because this is definitely very expired. Alright guys, so I think that completes today's video. I need to know which one is your absolute favorite, and should I do a part 2 doing only drugstore lip combos or maybe only NYX lip combos, because I have a lot of NYX products. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section down below. I would also love to know if you guys are going to be picking up any of the lip liners. I will have them linked in the description box down below. Thank you so much for being here. I love you, stay safe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.